Welcome to the course of Introduction to Rail Transportation. In this lecture, we will give a general picture of what is rail transportation. We're going to cover the following aspects: the types of rail transportation, how rail transportation started, how urban rail transit started, the difference between rail transportation and road transportation. Looking back to the human history, human beings used to walk on barefoot, then riding horses. With the progress, people knew they had to build something to replace walking. Then they learned to build roads and horse-drawn wagons. Transportation enables transportation activities to take place. The most primitive means of transport were the human feet. Human beings then tamed some animals such as horses and donkeys as tools for riding or driving. Sedan chairs and sailing boats have also been a means of transportation, animal-powered vehicles for a long time. Another early vehicle invented was the sledge, from which cars were built. The appearance of steam engines brought steam trains, the earliest road transport vehicle, which had to run on built tracks. Hence, the development of human means of transportation enters the stage of rapid development. Rail transport includes the concepts of large railways and small railways. How is it classified according to the category of technology and application? When mentioning rail, we often relate to the railway or rail track. It is true of the fact that railway is one form of rail. Rail transportation, in a wide sense, covers ordinary railway, intercity railway, suburban railway, high-speed railway, and urban rail transit. Technically, railway and rail transit are similar concepts without clear boundary. Rail transportation is a means of conveyance of passengers and goods by way of wheeled vehicles running on rail tracks. It is also commonly referred to as train transport. Rail transportation is actually classified as follows: trunk rail transportation, high-speed passenger transportation, heavy-loaded freight transportation, urban rail transit, subway, light rail, suburban railway and monorail, and new type rail transportation, maglev and vacuum high-speed rail train. In most cases, maglev is mostly classified into urban rail transit. How rail transportation started? On September 27, 1825, the Stockton-Darlington Railway in England, the world's first permanent public transport facility for steam locomotives, was officially opened. The official opening of the Stockton-Darlington Railway marks the beginning of modern railway transport. Railway, with its advantages of speed, convenience and economy, is highly valued by people universally. In 1964, Japan built the world's first high-speed railway, the Tokushima Shinkansen, with a speed of more than 200 kilometers per hour. Subsequently, various countries followed the pace and started their own national high-speed rail development. China Railway has a history of more than 100 years. It has been 128 years since its first railway, the Tangxu Railway, opened in 1881. It has been 110 years since the operation of the first independently designed and built Jinzhang Railway in China. How urban rail transit started. Urban rail transit first started from B. Pascal, a Frenchman's initial trackless stagecoach with regular routes and schedules in 1662. The world's first urban track stagecoach appeared on Broadway in New York in 1827. French engineer E. Aubert introduced it to Paris in 1853 and became popular because it was more efficient and comfortable than the trackless stagecoach. By 1879, the Greater Paris region had 38 stagecoach routes. That's in Great Paris region. The world's first subway was built in London in 1863. At the time, the government was looking for a way to reduce traffic problems in the City of London. The poor areas of the city were so crowded with people that it was almost impossible for horse carriages, the taxi of those days, to get around. The idea of the London Underground, the first subway system, was born from needy problem solving. The first track was finally opened in January 1863, in spite of some delays. Urban rail transit is a term for various types of local rail systems, providing passenger service within and around urban or suburban areas, powered by electric energy and carried by wheel and rail. Metro and light rail systems are involved, and tram as well. The difference between rail transportation and road transportation. In contrast to road transport, while vehicles only run on a prepared surface, rail vehicles are directionally guided by the tracks on which they run. A track usually consists of steel rails installed on sleepers and ballast, on which the rolling stock, usually fitted with metal wheels, moves. Through learning of this lecture, we have understood the basic concept of train transport. We have learned the development of rail transport. We have learned the difference between rail transportation and road transportation. And we need to master some basic related words and expressions of rail transportation. Rail track, rail transportation, ordinary railway, suburban railway, intercity railway, high-speed railway, urban rail transit. And we also need to master trunk rail transportation, high-speed passenger transportation, heavy-loaded freight transportation, urban rail transit, subway, light rail, suburban railway, and monorail. New type rail transportation, maglev and vacuum high-speed rail train. Want to know more about China's rail transportation? Stay with us till next time. Thank you.